Do you want to dominate any competition without breaking a sweat? Imagine walking into a room full of sharp minds, and yet, you're the one holding all the cards. Here's the secret: never fight a battle you haven't already won in your mind. Before any high-stakes situation, gather intelligence. Watch how people interact. Who defers to whom? Who hesitates? Who leads? Pay attention to the details, others dismissed as irrelevant. Because power hides in subtleties. Every time I engage, it's after I've pieced together a mental map of the playing field. And once you see the board clearly, every move becomes inevitable. The loudest voice in the room rarely wins in the long run. I prefer to blend into the background, observing, calculating. The power of being underestimated cannot be overstated. It disarms your competitors, making them careless. Let them think you're average or indifferent. It's a powerful camouflage. People are predictable when they feel superior. They reveal their weaknesses, their plans, and their blind spots. While they think they're leading, I'm silently steering them exactly where I want them to go. Competitors always rely on their strengths. That's their blind spot. They assume you'll fight them where they're strongest, but I never play that game. Study their habits. If someone's aggressive, remain calm. They'll push too hard and expose themselves. If they're calculating, disrupt their rhythm. Chaos makes strategists crumble. By the time they realize what's happening, you've already dismantled their advantage. Outsmarting isn't about brute force, it's about precision strikes. When the stakes are high, emotions are a liability. People lose focus because of pride, anger, or fear. I keep my emotions locked away. This doesn't mean I don't feel. I simply don't let feelings dictate my actions. When competitors try to provoke you, don't react. Let them think they've won the psychological battle. Meanwhile, their focus will drift, and yours will sharpen. Remember, calmness is a weapon most don't know how to defend against. Humans are predictable creatures. We crave recognition, fear isolation, and pursue what benefits us most. Use this to your advantage. Compliment the insecure. They'll become loyal. Give the arrogant just enough praise to let their guard down. The key is to never manipulate openly. It's about planting seeds and letting them think their decisions are their own. When your competitors unknowingly align with your goals, you've already won. High-stakes situations are battles of tempo. If you rush, you risk mistakes. If you're too slow, you lose the edge. I always take control of the pacing. By slowing things down, I give myself time to analyze and make better decisions. When I speed things up, it's because I see an opportunity others are too distracted to notice. Controlling tempo isn't just about timing, it's about ensuring your competitors always play at your rhythm, not theirs. Winning in high-stakes situations often means sacrificing immediate gains for a greater goal. Most competitors are short-sighted, obsessed with quick wins. That's where you can outmaneuver them. I don't care about momentary losses, I focus on what the board will look like 10 moves from now. Let them celebrate small victories while you quietly position yourself for the final checkmate. Patience and foresight are unbeatable strategies. Plans are essential, but rigidity is fatal. High-stakes situations often shift in unexpected ways. I never cling to a strategy that stops working. Adaptation isn't a sign of weakness, it's proof of strength. The moment the environment changes, I change with it, always staying one step ahead. Competitors who can't adjust are left scrambling, while I've already pivoted to my next move. True power lies in mystery. I never show my full capabilities, not because I'm hiding, but because unpredictability is my greatest weapon. If people know your limits, they'll find ways to exploit them. Keep your competitors guessing. One moment appear passive, the next, make a decisive move they never saw coming. The less they understand about you, the more control you have over the game. High-stakes situations aren't won by force or luck. They're won by clarity, patience, and precision. The best victories are those where your competitors never even realized you were playing. It's not about crushing them, it's about making their defeat inevitable without ever letting them see it coming. Be elite. Stay elite.